In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Pocket FM using the mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed Pocket FM onto your device. Now to create a new account, simply open it up for the first time. And then we'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this, and it will say sign up for free, continue with Google, or log in. So you can either click on sign up for free or continue with Google. If you continue with Google, that's going to sign you up for free as well. But for this demonstration, I want to do continue with my Google account. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to choose Tutorial Wiz. And now what this is going to do, this is going to bring you to this page. So we need to enter in your name, your gender, your age, preferred content language, and then you've got to check the tick box here. By clicking the checkbox, you agree to the terms, privacy policy, have a read, and then click continue. So I'll quickly go ahead and fill this form out. All right, I filled the form out. I'm going to hit continue. All right, it says please enter all the details. All right, I forgot to enter my age. I'll jot that in now. Continue. Now from here, select at least 3 that you like. So I'm just going to do Insta, that one, and then Goodeye, continue. Now, once you've done that, it will say allow Pocket FM to send you a notification. I'm going to choose allow. And then from here, you have successfully created an account with Pocket FM. If you want to go to your account, click on the top right-hand portion of the screen. There it is, Tutorial Wiz. You can edit your profile here and all that stuff.